Slowly kisses passing by the river.
So hello everybody and welcome back to the tkgthrifts YouTube channel. I'm Suchin and today we're doing a capsule wardrobe video. So you may ask, what's a capsule wardrobe? Well, a capsule wardrobe is a collection of essential pieces that never go out of style and all match each other. So it's good for people who don't want to spend a lot of time in the morning thinking about what they're going to wear, cause all of the items match each other. So it's really simple to create an outfit, and you don't have to buy as many pieces of clothing, so it's good for the environment and it also saves you money, which is always a good thing. So for the purposes of this video, I created a capsule wardrobe that is picnic themed, but everyone has a different style, and but as long as you follow the my process of creating this wardrobe, you can also make one for yourself in your own personal style. I will also add some example capsule wardrobe ideas at the end of this video in other styles, so maybe you can take some inspiration from there as well. But yeah, as long as you follow my thought process, you can create one with other pieces that you already own that fits your style. So the first item we have is this blouse. Of course, a plain white blouse is essential in everyone's wardrobe. It's really good for dressing up an outfit if you are going somewhere formal. And I chose this because it has puffy sleeves. So although you should have essential items, sometimes it may get boring. So a good way to change it up is to have pieces that are basic but have a point of interest, like these puffy sleeves. So it's still white in color and really easy to style, but it's not as boring as just a regular plain blouse. So the next item we have is this black mock neck. So I really love a mock neck shirt. I'm also wearing one now because they're really nice, really comfortable, and they're really easy to style, especially if you get them in a basic color. So on to bottoms. First we have a white tennis skirt. So I really like tennis skirts because they are really comfy and they are nice and high-waisted, so they're really flattering. And our next bottom is this pair of blue jeans. So of course, blue jeans are a staple. Everyone has one in their closet, and I'm not a really big pant person. I prefer skirts and dresses, but I really love this pair because it's nice and loose. It's really flattering, I think, and the denim is not too thick, so it's good for Singapore weather, and it's just really a really nice pair of jeans. But you can just choose any jeans you own that you like. So last but not least, we have this nice gingham, I'm not really sure how to pronounce this, but have this really nice dress with this cute gingham pattern, which really suits our picnic theme. But it's really cute, and if you've noticed, we didn't have any non-neutral colors here. I mean, the denim is blue, but denim is basically a neutral, let's be real. So this the first truly colored piece. And although technically a capsule wardrobe is just supposed to be essentials, it will get kind of boring, so you can throw in one or two pieces like this that add some color and pattern into your wardrobe. And what I really like about this is that you can layer it, so you can wear a turtleneck under it, or a mock neck under it, and you create a new outfit basically. And if you don't have a dress like this, a slip dress or a mini dress will also work, just any strapless dress.
I've been missing your strawberry kiss, 'cause nothing as sweet the taste still drive me crazy. My strawberry kisses, I could fly through the wind.
It's not for me to say. You